and these materials are supposed to be used for multiple levels. Although basically it is developed for level 1 and level 2, we can use it for level 0, and with a little innovation and imagination you can also use it for level 3 and 4. So all our materials are made in such a way that you can use them for multiple learning levels. For the beginners, for the intermediate level, for the advanced level, almost for all of them you can use. And sometimes we use it even for adults. So basic fluency, although we have made it for levels 1 and 2, we will show you how you can use it for the lower level, that is level 0, and for the higher levels, that is 3 and 4. And the level 0, they only say, I get up in the morning. I get up in the morning. Now it's important that they say, I get up in the morning. How they say, that's important. It's important that they say, get up together and in the morning together. Say that they don't say, I get up in the morning. Now that's a wrong way of saying. Get up. Get up should be together, and similarly the whole thing in the morning should be together. So I get up in the morning. I get up in the morning. Now after that, you can ask what you can see in the picture. What are the things you see in the picture? What can you see? At the very fundamental level, they will be able to see a boy, a bed, a clock, and a window. A window, a clock, and a boy, and a bed. Still, for level 1, you can ask, what color is the boy's dress? It's blue in color. You can also ask, what shape is the clock? The clock is round in shape. What color are the curtains? These curtains. What color are the curtains? They are red in color. Now we go to a still advanced level. We ask, how do you know the boy is getting up in the morning? Or how do we know it's morning? Where is the boy? What can you see through the window? Is it morning or evening? And how can you say it's morning? And if the learner is able to read time, he is able to tell time from a clock. If he can read time, you can say, what time is it? Even if they say 6:05, it's okay. And here you can also teach 6:05 would mean 5 minutes past 6. 6:05 means 5 minutes past 6. So we say 5 past 6. The clock, this clock is almost pointing at 1. It is 5 minutes past 6. And you can also say, how many hands are there in a clock? At least this clock has 2 hands. The next is, I brush my teeth. Again, it's important that you say my teeth together. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. My teeth should be together. Then, what are the things you can see? We can see a wash basin, a boy holding a toothbrush. We can see a toothbrush and a toothpaste, and we can see a smile with white, clean, sparkling teeth, shiny teeth, beautiful teeth. So what are the things we can see? Wash basin, boy, that's how they name. Where do you brush your teeth? In the bathroom, or you can use a wash basin. What color is the toothpaste? You can see the toothpaste here has 3 colors, blue, red and white. What are the things we need for brushing our teeth? The answer is here. You need toothpaste and a toothbrush. You say toothpaste, don't say a toothpaste, it's toothpaste and a toothbrush. And lastly, you can ask, why should we brush our teeth? The answer is here. This white clean teeth will give you the answer, why should we brush our teeth. Here, I have my bath. It's important to say my bath together. My bath. Together, my bath. Then, where is the boy taking the bath? It has to be in a bathroom because you can see a shower. Because you can see the shower, it has to be a bathroom. If you don't have shower, or if you don't want to use shower, how can you take a bath? You have bucket and a mug. What are the things you need to take bath? You need water, you need soap, you need towel, and you need shampoo. Now here are additional things you can teach. What color is the towel? It's pink in color. And here you also use not a soap but a cake of soap or just soap. And here we have an important thing. It's shampoo. But for advanced learners, you can teach them a sachet of shampoo. Now sachet, the spelling is important, and it's equally important to know that T is silent. A sachet, sachet we write, but we read sachet. So we have a sachet of shampoo, or they can say a packet of shampoo, or they can say some shampoo, but never say a shampoo. Either you can say shampoo or some shampoo, or a packet of shampoo, a pouch of shampoo, a sachet of shampoo, but never say a shampoo. It's not a shampoo, it's shampoo. And you can have the boy, and you can also ask, where else can we take bath other than bathroom? You can use a pond or a river, or you can be it can be under a tube well. Under tube well, people take bath. People take bath in rivers and ponds. So these are questions for advanced learners. Next, I have my breakfast. Now it's important that you say I have my breakfast, and the pronunciation is important. Don't say breakfast. Many people would say breakfast. No, it's breakfast. Breakfast. The accent should be on break. This is where your accent should be. The accent should be on break. It's breakfast. And you can ask, what are the items you can see? You can see something here. You can see something on the plate here. You can also see something on the plate here. In addition to what they see, they can also name other things they have for breakfast. You can introduce one more thing. What is the child holding in the hand? It's a fork. He's holding a fork in the hand. Now, here we have a boy drinking milk. You can say a boy drinking milk, or a boy drinking a glass of milk. And here the question comes, why should we drink milk every day? That most children would be able to answer that. But one question here, from where do we get milk? Here we have the hint actually, the picture will give the answer. From where do we get milk? But one question, one important teaching point, what's the woman doing? Most people would say the woman is taking out milk from the cow. You can teach them it's not taking out milk, we call it milking the cow. The woman is milking the cow. We don't say taking out milk, we say woman is milking the cow. This woman is milking the cow. Next is I pack my school bag. Again, my school bag is one phrase, that is my is the determiner and school bag is the noun. So the determiner my and the noun school bag, you have to say together. I pack my school bag. I pack my school bag together. Now at the level 0 they can just name the things what they see. Books, not book, books, because there are many books. So this is how you teach singular and plural without telling the technical terms. Don't tell them the terms singular and plural, but you can say books, not book. Then you have a pencil box, and you have a bag in which you are putting all the things. You can ask, what are the things we have in the pencil box? You can see pencils, you can see eraser, and indirectly you can ask, what's the meaning of bag? To put things inside the bag. When you put things inside the bag, it's called bag. Now here we have, I go to school. To school should be said together. I go to school. Don't say I go to school. That's a wrong way of saying. If you separate here, I go to school, that would be a wrong way of separating. It would be I go to school. I go, it should be together. I go to school has to be together. I go can be together, or I go can be separate. But this to school has to be together. I go to school. And we have a lot of pictures here how you can go to school. Bicycle, school bus. You can also ask, what color is the bus? What color is the bus? Always teach, it's yellow in color. It's yellow in color. We have a bike, we have an auto rickshaw, and we have a cycle rickshaw. So these are, for advanced students, what are they? They are transport. They are called transport. And here in the middle, you have a very important picture. What is the mother doing? The mother is sending her child to school, but this picture is meant to create in the deep subconscious an emotional bond between children and their mother. Between the children and their mother, that emotional bond has to be created, and that's what we are aiming at by this picture. Now we have, I study at school. Again, at school, it should be together. I study at school. Don't say I study at, then give a gap and say school. No, this cannot be separated. This at and school cannot be separated. So it has to be at school together. At school. I study at school. Now this is the picture of a classroom. Many of them might say it's a school. No, it's not a school, it's a classroom. A school will have many such rooms. Now what are the things you can see? You can see a board, you can see a bookshelf, you can see a map, or at least they can say a picture on the wall, and you can see chairs and desks. These are chairs and desks, or chairs and tables. These are not benches. Chairs and desks. And what else? You can see many children and one teacher. So these are what you can see. You can also say the classroom has two windows. Two windows. The classroom has two windows. The next picture, I come back home together. Come back home together. From school together. I come back home. Don't give a gap after come back. There should be no gap here. After come back, no gap here. I come back home together. From school together. And you can have a school bus. You can ask how many children are there. Note that they say children and not children's. No S. It's important. So, and you have a boy who is not going by school bus. He is walking home. That's a phrase. He is walking home. Or he is going home on foot. On foot. An important phrase you can teach, on foot. Then, this is the picture. Again, that's meant to create an emotional bond between the child and the mother. In subconscious, it registers. Every picture registers in the subconscious. Every picture leaves an imprint in the subconscious. So you have an emotional bond. And what is she doing? She is receiving a child. The child has come back from school. And what does the child say when they come back? They say, I love you, mom. So this is what the child will say when they come back. I love you, mom. And here is a rare thing. for advanced learners. Note the trees. These are not the normal spreading trees. These are coniferous trees. Cone shaped, like an ice cream cone. They are coniferous trees. And then you can discuss a little about coniferous trees, where they are found. They are found at high altitudes and the mountainous regions. Then you have, after coming back home, I have some snacks and milk. I have some snacks and milk. So when you say I have, again, some snacks should be together and milk should be together. Note that and. Don't say with the previous one. Say always with the next one. Some snacks, you can give a gap. And milk, and the conjunction should be with the next word. Then you can ask what are the snacks they have. And for advanced students, I was asking, what is the difference between this milk and the milk we saw when the child was having the breakfast? There it was warm milk, probably warm milk with maybe sugar or a little honey. This is chilled milk from fridge with ice cream topping. This is called a milkshake. A milkshake, cold milk with ice cream topping. Or in place of milk, you can also have fruit juice. And you can ask what are the fruits you can see here. I play in the evening. I play in the evening. It's important that in the evening you say together. Just as we said in the morning, in the evening it should be said together. Now you can ask how many children are there. What color is the ball? You can ask if you can't go outside, then what do you do? How do you play? You can use toy cars and toy buses. You can have a lot of other, you can have a lot of other buses, a lot of other toys. You can have a lot of other toys. And here is what you see in park, you are having slides. I enjoy my dinner with my family. Important. I enjoy my dinner. My dinner should be together. My is a determiner. My dinner should be together. With my family is also important. With is a preposition and my family. So with my family it should be together. If you want to give a gap, you can give a gap here, but not anywhere else. I enjoy my dinner together with my family together. And you can discuss about the importance of having dinner together. And who are the members? Probably this is the boy's sister. This is the boy. This is the boy's sister. This is the boy. This is the boy's sister. You have got sister. These two are probably the boy's parents. And here you may have an aunt or a grandmother. So this is how a family bond is created. All are having together a dinner together. So I enjoy my dinner with my family. Again, I brush my teeth. It should be my teeth together. And you can ask, why should we brush our teeth twice daily? Why? Why do we brush our teeth daily? Because we discussed already brushing the teeth. I go to bed. I go to bed. Now here, you can ask, how do you know? First of all, what time is it? See that this night sky, this night sky will give you, what do you see? A moon and stars. You can see moon and stars giving a night sky, so it is night. How do you know the person is going to bed? They have opened their shoes and they are climbing onto the bed, and you can see the bed. And you can see also it is night time. So I go to bed. Again, to bed should be together. I go to bed. Thank you. So this is, and remember to say thank you, and also to instruct the children to say thank you at the end. So what we have got is This is how we can use one lesson for multiple purposes. Although it was mainly meant for only basic children, only so much we wanted. I go to bed, I brush my teeth, I enjoy my dinner with my family, I play in the evening, I have some snacks and milk, I come back home from school, I study at school, I go to school, I pack my school bag, we are saying the reverse sequence, I have my breakfast, I have my bath, I brush my teeth, I get up in the morning. So this is only for the beginners, particularly if they can't read.